My salad is dead.
Well, that's what you get for putting mayo on it.
I was mistaken.
They really shouldn't move that shit around.
The greatest April Fool's prank ever, except for it's late.
Oh god.
Great.
How do you think I'll look
Still
bald?
sounds awful. It just sounds a little bit.
What was that?
It's Ryan.
Just like
Let's stand back for a minute. But hey, at least I got croutons.
Random milk. Probably in the middle of the bed.
Croutons are the greatest.
I don't know. This is
what is life?
I have no clue.
You want a crouton? I just had 3. Oh, did I ever tell you the story how I like snorted graham crackers?
Oh, did you hear what happened to her?
Like it was in like 3rd grade, and somebody's like, Riley, I bet you can't snort graham crackers. And then I like crushed them up, and then like I snorted it, and I was a god for about 5 minutes.
A god.
She got caught and she had nothing on her.
When anything happens in 5th grade, you become a god.
You smell nice.
You do too. Oh boy, drinking
Ew,
school milk.
the bloods.
that shit is cancer.
No.
Excuse me?
The
I drink this every day.
Is there a way I
You're
could wear
gonna
this
get osteoporosis.
size?
I love osteoporosis. If it doesn't explode on me,
Around your neck?
this is the worst time I've had opening milk.
How do you think somebody somewhere is gonna react to this? You're really having a hard time.
Finally. Dear God.
Somebody kill me!
Oh my god.
Why would you let me
Talk
die?
about Skyrim.
That muffin's like the
Than any
best.
other thing.
You're gonna love the muffin.
Oh, and the
You'll find what?
Desmond, the moon bear.
Oh my god.
The end.
That's totally what I'm drawing on my next back of calculator. I'm sure the teacher's gonna see this.